In today's video, I am going to teach you how to link QuickBooks with Gusto. Linking Gusto with QuickBooks Online helps keep your payroll and bookkeeping in sync. Once the connection is set up, Gusto can send payroll journal entries into QuickBooks, which can save time and reduce manual data entry. I will walk you through the connection process and the important mapping steps so your payroll costs land in the right places. Start by signing into your Gusto account and go to the app directory. This is where Gusto lists the integrations you can connect to your account. Take a moment to make sure you are in the correct company profile if you manage more than one, since the connection will apply to the company you are currently viewing. Next, look for QuickBooks Online. You can either scroll through the list of apps or use the search bar to find it faster. When you see QuickBooks Online, select it to open the integration details. This page typically explains what data will sync and what permissions are required. Now choose Connect. At this point, you will be prompted to log into your QuickBooks account. Enter your QuickBooks credentials and follow the sign-in prompts until you reach the authorization screen. On the authorization screen, approve the connection so Gusto can communicate with QuickBooks Online. This permission is what allows payroll entries to be created in QuickBooks automatically. Make sure you are authorizing the correct QuickBooks company file, especially if your login has access to multiple organizations. After authorization, you will move on to mapping accounts. This is one of the most important parts of the setup. You will match Gusto payroll categories, such as wages, taxes, and other payroll-related items, to the correct accounts in your QuickBooks chart of accounts. Accurate mapping helps ensure your financial reports stay clean and that expenses appear in the right categories. If you are unsure which accounts to use the ones your bookkeeper or accountant has set up for payroll, or select the closest matching payroll expense and liability accounts already in your chart. Once everything is mapped correctly, select Save to finalize the integration. Your settings will be stored, and the link between Gusto and QuickBooks Online will be active. That covers everything you need to know.